9.6. We have first question 1 upon under root of minus 2x square plus 3x plus 4. Right? The very first thing is here we have x square with a negative sign. X square we cannot, from x square we cannot take minus sign common as the thing is in under root. Expression is in under root. So minus we cannot take common. The very first thing to note down. This is very general mistake that minus we are taking common. So don't take it common. Rest is coefficient of x square we need to make 1. For that 2 common out of under root it will be under root 2. So now we can write it minus x square plus 3 upon 2x plus 2 as 2 is common. And for completing the square method, the next step is half of the coefficient of x and its under root. Half of the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 3 by 2. So make it 3 by 4 and its square. Add and subtract. Half of the coefficient of x, 3 upon 4, its square, add and subtract. Now, out of these two, which one you have to consider as b square? This you keep in your mind. As the sign of x square is negative, so you see, if we are taking suppose a minus b whole square, we have a square plus b square minus 2ab. If we have minus of a minus b whole square, we do have minus a square minus b square plus 2ab. In all these cases of complete square, a square and b square are always of same sign. So a square and b square. So this is what is your a square and this will be your b square. As this is negative, out of these two, this one is negative. So consider this as b square. So this is a square, this is b square, this is obviously 2ab. So this will give you the complete square and 2 plus 9 upon 16. And out of these three, take negative sign common. This and this negative sign common. We'll have x square minus 3 upon 2x plus 3 upon 4 square. This is a square, this is b square, this is minus 2ab, that is a minus b whole square. So we got it under the root of 41 upon 4 whole square minus x minus 3 upon 4 whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now 1 upon a square minus under root of a square minus x. I told you the formula 1 upon under root of a square minus x square. Its integration is sine inverse x upon a plus c. That is your fourth formula. So we got it sine inverse in place of x, x minus 3 by 4 upon a plus c. Just simplify, take this 4 here, so it is 4x minus 3 upon under root. So 1 upon root 2 sine inverse 4x minus 3 upon root 41 plus c is your integral, right? See, we have one more question. 1 upon under root quadratic. Question is 1 upon under root of x square plus 6x plus 5. 1 upon under root simple quadratic. Take the coefficient of x, as coefficient of x square is 1. Directly coefficient of x, that is half of that, add and subtract. Now a square, b square and 2ab. So we got it a plus b whole square plus 5 minus 9, that is 5 minus 9 minus 4, you can write it 2 square. So now 1 upon x square minus a square with the under root. 1 upon under root of x square minus a square. What is the formula for this? Under root of x square minus a square. That is log of x plus under root of the same. So we got it log of x plus under root of this same, that is and log of x, and in place of x what we are using, so obviously it will be x plus 3. In place of x we are using x plus 3. So log of x plus 3 plus under root of, if you simplify this thing you will get x square plus 9 plus 6x minus 4, so you will get it 5 plus c is your integral. Formulas you must know. Note it down.